so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Lobo. Most of you know me as Lobo. Name's Nick. I've been wanting to start this vlog slash build channel for a cool minute now, but I really haven't had the chance or really been busy. So until I decided to say right now, was like, might as well just do it up, start now or never, you know. But yeah, it's just a little introduction. It's gonna be a little, today we're gonna do a little introduction slash we're going to two little events here in Oxnard. First one is Daily Drivers Incorporated. They're hosting an event. I don't know if you know them. Check them out on Instagram at Daily Drivers Incorporated or DDI events. We're gonna hit that, and then we're also gonna go to, it's a little shaky. We're heading over to Anti-Thursday is hosting another event, a summer bash. So it's literally right after this first one. So right now, yeah, like I said, it's a little introduction, a little bit about myself. I'm in the 805 area. Most of you know me, most of you know my truck around. You guys ever want to collab on a photo shoot, quick little videos, cruises or something, just hit me up. I'm always down to basically to stay active, you know. And then, yeah, most of you know I drive a 2020 F-150 regular cab 5.0, known as the Lobo. Kind of how they plaqued me my name, Lobo. Sorry, there's a little. Anyways, yeah, I got it bone stock. It was basically a work truck. Maybe later on I'll do a whole rundown of what I've done to the build. But yeah, like I said, I'm in the 805 area, whoever's down. Actually, I'm gonna have an event here like in a couple of weeks. You guys want to check that out on my Instagram at LaLobo_50. Yeah, and like I said, right now I'm going over. I'm actually gonna go pick up La Toxica. Gonna go pick her up, and then from there we're gonna head over to the event. It's supposed to start. Well, it starts at 1. Rolling time. Sorry. Rolling time is at 11. So we're at 10 o'clock right now. We're heading over. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as the day goes by. And like I said, today we're just gonna have a little vlog on our day. Gonna head over. Alright guys, so we're here picking up La Toxi. Yeah, women take hours. Literally called me, oh, you're coming already? And then still waiting here. Mírala. Mendiga calmosa. Watch her get pissed off right now. What are you doing? Watch.
You don't like me right now, babe.
What did I tell you?
Yeah.
What did I tell you?
About what?
Alright.
Where are your cars?
Alright. So we're finally here. We're about to take off. Say what's up to the vlog.
I have COVID.
No, mom. First thing you say.
I do have COVID, but I'm sick.
Alright. So we're out. Want to say anything to to the vlog?
No. Just that you probably hate me.
Yeah.
Ah,
Quedamos
do you hate me?
that we were gonna be matching, right? Blue jeans, a black shirt, and Crocs. Ando yo de pendejo con Crocs. Y ella, nada.
I'm wearing chocolate. You didn't bring shoes, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm gonna wear them. Because you're not wearing your Crocs.
You're gonna find mine. The white ones.
Alright, so. So, want to go get your next week?
No, it's already 10:30.
We can stop by the gas station right there.
Which one?
The one that's right in front of the brewery.
There's no a gas station.
Yes, there is. It's on Del Norte, no?
I think so. I don't know.
Yeah, there's a gas station right there. There's a Shell gas station. The one we meet up with when we go to cruises and
It's
stuff
not
with the
right
club.
there, is it?
Yes. Alright. Catch you guys later. Alright guys, so we made it to the spot. Anything you want to say? Say something!
I'm shy.
Alright, so we're here. It's actually right back there. Right. Yeah, we're just waiting to get checked in. Yeah. Alrighty. Let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, so we just got here. We already got the truck nice and cleaned up. Yeah, look at that. We're about to go scope out the spot right now. Check out all these whips. Get some pictures. I also have a photography page, _captured by Lobo _. So go check that out. We're about to go do a little walk around, see, scope out some of these builds. Like I said, there's a little bit of everything. There's trucks, cars. We got the lowriders back there. Yeah, we'll stay on top of that. You're on a start. Let's hear on a start.
Look at that little carrito. Look.
What's it?
Little car.
Oh. I need to put mine like this. I don't know.
You didn't give it away, right?
No, I have
Paint it
it.
again.
I still have mine. I do have mine.
You should do something like that.
Esta está perra la mendiga. Sheesh. No quema. I haven't found any.
I see. But it was
Still. It's a thought that counts.
Llegó la pizza, llegó la pizza.
Type bar. So we just got done killing a badass fucking burger. Rate the burger. 3? Why? So dumb.
You like it?
Nah, babe. 10 out of 10.
It was just the bugs.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, I threw them away.
But yeah. Anyways, we're here. Looks like she's bored out of her mind. Yeah. Looks like we're gonna take something home today by default. But yeah. Look at her face. Look at her fuchi face.
I don't have a fruity face.
You have a fuchi face.
Like I'm seeing the ice cream.
Ice cream. Anyways, yeah. You can see we're gonna be here till like 5, almost 6. 5, almost 6. And then from there, we're gonna meet up with 2 of my other homies. And we're gonna take off to the second meet of the day. Y que no falte la coca. Like, we're rocking the merch. This is the front, the back. That's the back. I have some on my Instagram information right there.
Not mine.
At la_lobo 5.0.
Not mine though.
Yeah, not that one. That one was special made. Es que es bien especial la niña. Yeah, we have some merch right there. If you guys want to go check it out, we got stickers, we got shirts, decals with my logo. I'll show you the design right now. But yeah. So now we're gonna start rating. Start with that van. Oh god. Alright. Hey, hold up guys, I think we met a famous guy right here.
Hola.
Say what's up to the vlog, homie.
Say what's up to La Lobo Vlogs.
A huevo. Hit the homie up on Instagram. Shop your Instagram.
La Troquita Stock. It'll be right here.
It'll be right here.
Right here.
Somewhere right there.
Make all your names sound awful.
So now
Third place, Josue Cano.
Awards. Waiting on the awards.
You out here?
Hopefully
Let's
we can get something
go.
today, guys.
Give it up,
Get it.
Josue. Start with,
She's all happy. Why are you happy?
let's start with some manufacturers. Let's do
You got
Toyota.
Botox.
Third
Botox.
place, Toyota. Goes to Truck of the show goes to Nick Romero. Nick Romero with the F-150. Congrats.
Yeah.
Lowrider Hardtop. Best Lowrider Hardtop goes to George Cardona. George Cardona, Lowrider Hardtop.
Best
Congratulations,
taquach of the show.
Lowrider Vert goes to Ruben.
Guys, fucking did it. Yes, sir, we brought one home. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Well, happy for you.
You brought Botox home. I got. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo. We did it, guys. La Lobo 50 brought it. First place, best truck. And she got Botox.
I don't know where it's at.
Yeah. So now we're just waiting for a couple homies. We're gonna meet up with them and we're gonna head over to the second meet up in Ventura. And yeah, hell yeah, we brought it home, guys. Alright guys, so we're here. We met some more famous people. Check your Instagram. Yeah. Follow the homie. It's gonna be the Instagram up here. The other homie. It's your Instagram, bro. Follow the Instagram. It's gonna be posted right here. A little camera shy. Yeah, we made it to the other spot. Que andamos con Firulais. Nanda's way. Alright, let's go out. See what we see. So we out here at the second spot. Here with the homies. Vamos a tirar el rol a ver qué miramos por ahí. Ahí están los cut. Vamos a ver qué vemos. How's this update on your day?
I'm tired.
But you got free Botox.
Oh my goodness.
I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. 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 Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes me blind.
Alright guys, so we just got done with the day. How do you feel?
Tired still.
Anyways, that was it for our first ever vlog. Hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna head over to Sick Truck Events. They're hosting a show next weekend in Adelanto. It'll be posted over there. Have a couple of homies that are gonna be over there as well. A couple people that hit me up, they wanna do a collab, so we'll go on from there.